The second time around, we do U-turn para makita natin uli ng maganda ang view ng wall. This 1.3 kilometers gallery here in the wall of Berlin. Go straight.
Auto around here.
Yeah. We will turn again. Or go here's all the graffiti. So this is the place. What is here? So we're going to the wall. To the wall, but I think we are in a wrong place. It's okay.
But we will make another U-turn there.
Yeah.
As long as no one's get there.
In 2 kilometers, turn left onto Malenden.
So there the start of the wall. Here's the start of the wall.
What is left over?
So what is the leftover from?
Off the lights, use the left lane to make a U-turn at Outpost.
And they put gravity on it. Ang daming tao naglalakad. There.
Make a U-turn. At the lights, use the left lane to make a U-turn. Make a U-turn.
This is the East Gallery.
At the lights, use the left lane to make a U-turn at Belgian Market Street.
Separation of East and West Germany.
This,
That was here.
yeah, that was.
East and West Berlin. We had the East, the communist part.
So this is two East and West Berlin before. This is the separation wall.
30 years ago there was an East and a West.
Yeah. So there's so many people because there are history.
At the lights, use the left lane to make a U-turn into Orendahl Straße.
History this side now. Yeah. So the wall is still there. So that's the end
What's
of
left
the
over?
wall. So
Yeah, that's
the
the
left
leftover
up,
wall.
the leftover wall. So that wall is very old wall, right?
Yeah, since the Second World War.
It's from
80 years
second,
old.
from the Second World War yung wall. May floating
At the lights,
lights.
use the left lane to make a U-turn at Forschungsstraße.
This is
So
the end.
that's the end of the wall. It's
Make a
1.2
U-turn.
meters. So that's the take 2 of the wall, the 1.3 long wall, and now we're on the way to Berlin, the city center. So we will see more of the historical things here in Berlin. So come and join us, guys. Join us. We're going to Berlin. Look at all these historical things here in Berlin, Germany.